Do you love that? Stay around and I'll show you how to do it in 3 steps. To make your editing a lot easier, very simple, nothing complex, I would recommend Filmora. It is a very good video editing software. This is where you can make your imagination go live within one click. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you how to make a game intro with just only 3 steps. So first, what we need to do, we need to go ahead into titles. I'm going to scroll all the way down to film stock, and we're going to use this one right here. Let's go ahead and pull that down to our timeline, and there you go. So after doing that, we're going to go to elements, and we're going to pull this one down to our timeline, cyber game intro. Okay, so we're going to go into audio now, and we're going to type in cinematic. I'm going to use this one. Let's pull it down to our timeline, and I'm going to use, let me go ahead and cut this down right here, pull this right here. So let's go back to media, pull this up, pull this picture down to our timeline. So we're gonna go ahead and render the file. Okay, so let's play and see what we have right now. Okay, so something's wrong, hold on. Okay, so we need to make sure the music match what's going on in the video. Always remember that. So let us go and cut this down from here, pull this. Okay, let's play it again. Alright, pull this right down. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull this down to match it. Let's go again. Always render your video. Don't be like me. Please don't be like me. He give you a smoother playback. Alright, so let's go into audio again and click on, just type in glitch right here. Alright, we're gonna use this one, put it onto our timeline. Gonna make it to match the glitch effect of the controller right now. So let's go ahead. Okay, let's pull this back down again. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do a color match. So we're gonna click on color. We're into color match, and we're gonna go ahead and select. Alright, so we're gonna choose this color right here. Hold on. So we're gonna click on match right here. Okay, I'll click on OK. Let's go ahead and push, minimize this a little. Okay, let's go ahead and render our file again. Okay, and you can double click right here. So we're gonna go ahead and double click on advanced. I'm gonna name this Noob Squad. You can name this to anything you want to name it to. Okay, that's one. So let's go ahead and click on this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on ultra. I'm gonna put this on ultra too. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and click on color. I'm gonna use this one right here. Click on gradient. Click on gradient, my bad. Click on gradient first and go to color. Nice. That's it. So I'm gonna click on OK. Render a file. Okay, so let's just click on play. Well, if you guys have any question at all, feel free to comment down below or feel free to contact me through my Discord. I'll reply to you quick as possible. Have yourself a wonderful day.